Hello everybody. So as you can see, this is my Apple Ultra 2 watch that I bought. It's less than a year old. So one of the things that I love this watch, I like how it connects to my phone. I like everything about it, how it functions. But I ran into a weird problem yesterday, and it's right here where you can see where this connects. Hang on, I'll show you. Look at that. It just pulls right out. There's a little tear, I can show it to you, on the seam right here. And it just came loose yesterday. So I thought, okay, I'll just get a new watch band. They can't be that much. So I go to Apple, and here is the band on the Apple site. It's $99. $99. I was like, holy moly. And I thought, Navy, that was what I was gonna get. And I'm like, $99, my goodness. So I'm not paying $99 for something that didn't last a year. So I go to here and start looking at Amazon, and you got so many choices. So this is what I ended up getting. It was like a 5-pack, and I figured if this lasts a year, I got five different ones. So that's 5 years technically worth of watch bands, or even if it only lasts 6 months, 2.5 years for only $7.99. So that's what I ended up getting, and I got them today. And so here it is. So we'll unpackage it, and then we will see how easy it is to put on. So here are the 5 bands: white, navy, it's gray, kind of a green, and a black. And we're gonna see how easy it is to take this band off on both of them. So let's get started on getting this removed first. Here we go. I think this and this is the button you push to release, and then this slides out. So let's just put that to the test real quick. I'm gonna push that in. Oh, and it does just slide right out. So let's push that in. Slid right out. So that was pretty easy. So if you do get a watch band, I had to look it up. Right there's the little button you push to release, and this just slides in and out. So, all right, we've got that band off. So I'm assuming I'll replace it with another navy. It's kind of what I did earlier. So let's get the navy band on, and we'll see how well it. All right, so before we get started, the Ultra 2 has a 49mm case size, in case you're wondering. And so when you're looking for watch sizes, make sure it just fits that 49mm case size. And I ordered the longer ones just because I like having a little bit of extra length. This one, when I had it on, I literally only had like the last 2 or 3 holes that I used on it. So figured I'd get a little bit longer size, which hopefully that'll give me a little bit extra length on here. So let's put them on. I just wanted to give you a little compare and contrast size-wise what this looks like. All right, so I'm gonna put this in, and I'm just gonna do like I did when I took it off. I'm gonna depress this button. I'm just gonna slide this right on in. And man, it just went right on in there, nice and easy. So let's do the same on this side. Get it right there. I'm gonna push the button. Whoops. Push the button, and it goes right on in. Boom. There we go. So it is on. That's what it looks like. I did notice that some of these, when you look online, some of these are painted black. And one of the problems I saw when people that got the ones that were painted so they're not noticeable is that paint ends up coming off. So I just figured I'd just go with the ones that were already metal and just put that on, and we'll see how well this fits. But it went on easy. For $7.99 compared to $99, I think this is gonna be a win. I mean, these watch bands are rubber. I didn't want a cloth one just because I go walking and I think they'd get sweaty, gross. This things I can just wipe off, clean off, and go on. So let's put this on and see how well it fits. Put it on, you just get it and just push down. It just slides right in on the hole. It's a little bit larger in the hole, and it fits. I've got it where it fits pretty snug. And then You just push this in on that little hole and it goes under the watch band. Since I'm trying to do this by myself, there we go. It went in. So I'm trying to deal with the camera, but yeah, I just went right on in. Like I said, I like this watch band. I thought it was constructed well. I just didn't expect this to have that little tear in it and come loose. So, I mean, you can see it's just, I guess there's a seam there, and just over time, it just popped in and out. So, oh well, replacements. And I shouldn't have to worry about a little tear on the end of it, because now it's just going to be pushing it through on the hole. So maybe over time, maybe that wears out. I don't know. But for the price that I'm paying for these compared to $99, I can go through all 5 of these and still not match up to the cost of replacing this one. So hopefully this helps you guys out. I hope that if you have an Ultra watch, just like I said, just make sure that you get the right size and length. It comes in different. I just grabbed the long one, and that way I can get those on. Looks great. I'm happy with it. Any questions you can put in. I mean, it came sealed very nicely. Got it next day. So any questions, just fire away, put it in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them. But that's it, replacing the Ultra 2 watch band. So if you have a problem like that or similar one, shop. You could be shopping for days. There are so many styles. There's cloth, there's these, I don't know, like rubber, easy. There's just a ton of styles to choose from, so get whatever you want. And if you want an OEM Apple, just get ready to pay for $99 to get a replacement and hope it lasts for another year. I choose to try something different for the cost. I mean, $7.99 compared to $99.99. I don't think it's a no-brainer that we'll give that a shot. Because guess what? If they didn't work, or they didn't, whatever, I could just ship it right back to Amazon. That's one thing I do like about Amazon Prime. So again, any questions, put them in the comments. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Something you get done real quick. Take care, and y'all have a blessed day. Also, I will put the link in the description for the product that I got in case you're interested, and also put the link for the Apple in case you're interested in that. So I appreciate you guys. Take care.